After all these years, the Hollyberry throne is still mine. Thrones... they are meant to be wrestled for. Yet those mortals are afraid to challenge me. Where is she? I hunger for a fight.
Lord Dragon, I have brought it to your attention many times that Queen Mother has left the realm long ago. We haven't received a word from her ever since. There is absolutely no way to arrange her arrival.
You cookies are boring. All of you. But her. Then bring someone similar. A strong, fierce warrior. Or I will reduce your puny kingdom to nothing but embers and dust.
Yes, Lord Dragon, we shall do all in our power to help you conquer your boredom. But what can we do? The light of the shield is becoming dimmer by the day. Clearly, there is a limit to the power of these scarce fragments our expeditions have managed to procure.
Yeah, it's surely getting dim. I wish the shield's power resonated with me, too.
Oh, we managed to keep the kingdom together for so long, but this time, the odds are against us, I'm afraid. With that monster on the Hollyberry throne, and without the shield, our homeland is in grave danger.